I'm talking about the Digital Microscope. This thing was amazing. I took it out of the box with about 10 seconds of instruction, looking at the manual here just to understand what the various buttons are on it. I was able to get this thing going. I just want to tell you that you've tuned into the Barefoot Farm channel. I'm Pop. We upload videos every week. We do a lot of product reviews and fixing stuff here on the farm. So if you like what you see today, please subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell. So I'm talking about the Digital Microscope. This thing was amazing. I took it out of the box with about 10 seconds of instruction, looking at the manual here just to understand what the various buttons are on it. I was able to get this thing going. This is a model LP050-TZ1B. Got this for a great deal on Amazon, and I'll run through some of the features here. What you see in the viewfinder there is the SD card that came with it, and by the way, it does come with a 32 gigabyte SD card. So I think the retail on this was only about $60. I'm not sure what the current Amazon price is. I think that's what was listed at when I ordered it. So you got to figure the 32 gig SD card is about 15 bucks right there. It's amazing how they can put something like this together for that price. So the components that you have here are, you have this articulated arm, which is very similar to what you see with a desk lamp or anything of that nature. Has a very simple clamp that went on my bar here, and then this dropped into the pocket. There's a tension adjustment here on this articulating point where the camera attaches, the microscope camera attaches. So you need to adjust the tension there, otherwise it will kind of tip over. There's a little bit of weight to this, not a lot, but a little bit of weight to it. When I took it out of the box, this ring here, you can see these two set screws in the ring. They were turned in, so I just had to back them out to get enough clearance to drop the barrel of the microscope in there. That was very simple assembly. You can see on here that there is a date and time stamp that needs to be set to current date and time, which I have not done. The monitor itself is articulated, so you can adjust the angle of that. Oops, I better set some pressure on here so this doesn't keep falling over on me. So the focus adjustment is a little bit out of focus now. Your focus adjustment is just a simple twist of the barrel here to get it in focus. Great for fine work. Other features on here are that it does have a temperature adjustment on the lighting control. You can see the set knob here on the side. It also comes in the package with a USB cable. It's a standard USB, I guess it's a 3.0 to a USB-C, and it has USB-C charging port on the side here. When I took it out of the box, I was surprised to find out that it was 100% charged. So that made that easy. Usually when I get things like this, I take it out and charge it. So I'm super pleased with this so far. I can see this is going to come in super handy. The description in Amazon said it was great for electronics work. I don't do electronics work, but I do a lot of other fine work on other things. And I think this is going to come in super handy. Appreciate you watching today. Please like and subscribe to this video. And if you want more, tune back to the Barefoot Farm channel.